Hey guys, it's Zach, ZT, and
Mommy.
And today we're baking cookies.
From scratch.
From scratch, yes. So, yeah, So first, something's got a little stuck. These little pebbles crunch. These things.
Oh, there we go.
These, you see these?
No, don't worry about that part.
That's weird. Shifting.
Oh, yeah. So I just sifted the flour, baking soda, and salt.
You're talking to them?
I sifted the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. And now, I like to do a double. Oh, I need another napkin.
Sure.
It's a spider.
A spider! Guys, hurry. Hold up, guys. Okay. Wait, let me see. Where is it?
Crawl away.
Where is he? Okay, get him.
Yep, he got away.
Wait, he's on the spoon. There he is. There's no escape.
Got him.
He's dead?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Good job, Mom. Guys, we just moved into this house, so that's why.
There'll be a few little creepy crawlers because the house had been empty for about a year,
So.
we can expect that.
Exactly. They better move because we moving here. This is our house.
Yes. So now, even though I sifted the flour, the baking soda, and the salt, I still like to do a double sift by using my fork. So I'm gonna kind of sift through this.
Let me measure.
Yes, you helped me measure. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. I always like to.
So now, what we did was, now that we sifted together those dry ingredients, I'm gonna melt the butter, add eggs, add brown sugar, add white sugar, and what else is on my list? Then I'll add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And then I will mix all of that together. And we're not going to bake them tonight. We're just going to let the cookie dough sit in the fridge overnight. And then we'll have some yummy chocolate chip cookies.
Yay!
We will share what the cookie dough looks like after we mix it up. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye.